Neobanks may look revolutionary, but they still rely on old legacy banking structures. DeFi can achieve so much more, but the rest of the world doesn't understand the way it works, let alone how to use it efficiently. This is where WeFi steps in, binding it all together in an intuitive and simplified way. As the first neobank, we are building an inclusive financial ecosystem that merges the crypto world with the traditional functions you're used to, like card services, loans, and asset transfers. Our goal is to make it easy for all to leverage blockchain technology and DeFi. We believe these new tools have the potential to generate wealth for everyone. We've developed WeFi to help you access new possibilities that make your money work for you in a secure, fast, and efficient way. Start your WeFi journey now.